It's gotta be a bass.
Oh my god! This thing's huge.
Is it a bass?
I don't know. It's pulling.
Dude, it's a monster pickerel. Oh my god.
That's 2 feet.
Yeah. Back out on the reservoir. Got Chris, Ian, and Joey with us today. Caught a good amount of fish already. Forgot to film the intro, so we got this going right now. And yeah, hopefully
we'll run it back and show you what we've done.
Yes, sir. Alright, Joey, hold on that thing. Oh, it's going. Got him?
Oh yeah.
Nice.
Oh, it's way off.
Yeah, he pulled a lot of line. Oh, it's a nice pickerel.
Woo!
First fish of the day. Good looking reel. Yeah, good looking one. Not bad for the first fish. Nice little pickerel. Not a bad one for the first one.
Going back.
Yep, send him home.
That's some action, bro. Let's go.
Yes, sir. Alright, dude. Grab that. That's probably a big crappie or perch. You got him? You got him? He's on. Hopefully it's a nice crappie or perch. Nice. Yes, sir. Dude, that's a jumbo perch. That's a monster.
That's a monster, yo.
That's crazy.
Holy shit. Are we
definitely cooking
clean,
that thing up for
clean
sure.
cooked, dude?
Not really, but she's off to the side. She's off to the side a bit.
It is off to the side. Oh, it's moving. It's falling.
Yeah,
I think it dropped. Oh no, it's going again. Yeah?
Oh yeah, shoot, dude, that's a nice one.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh sheesh.
Not a bad one.
That's a plunder. That's a chunder reel.
Dude, this is a chunder reel.
Nice, dude.
Dude, he's got black dots all over him. You see that?
Clean cooking release.
He's got black spots all over him for some reason. I don't know if you can see that. But nice little pickerel. Gonna get a release on him. There you go, bud. Oh, that's gotta be a bass.
Oh my god! This thing's huge.
Is it a bass?
I don't know. It's pulling.
Dude, it's a monster pickerel. Oh my god.
That's 2 feet.
That thing is huge.
Dude, this thing is mondo, bro.
Look at the girth on that.
Oh my god. Let me go get my ruler, bro.
Dude, look at the girth on that thing.
Holy shit, bro.
Wow. Dude, did you see how fast it was spinning?
Dude, I felt that thing, bro. This thing has to be like 4 or 5 pounds, bro.
That's like a 2.5, 3 pounder probably.
This thing is massive,
That's
bro. Look
crazy.
how menacing that face is, dude.
Wild.
Dude.
Nice catch.
Oh my lord.
That's a chunder fish if I've
That
ever
is
seen
a
one.
chunder fish, bro.
Wow. Alright, releasing this monster. You'll kiss. There she goes.
Oh,
dang, that was a
holy
beast.
Oh, dude, this thing's
Chris, get on that.
over you, bro.
Oh my god, it's wheeling. Oh, it's way off to the side.
Dude, pull that. This thing has to be massive, bro. This thing has to be.
Dude, that's got to be an eater perch, another big perch.
I'm hoping, bro.
He's still there. What is that?
Dude, this thing's huge.
Oh my god! No way!
Holy bees, bro.
Dude, they literally keep getting bigger.
No! Dude, they like just don't stop it. That's a plate.
That thing is so Dude, oh my god.
That's a plate, dude.
Look at that. Holy.
It looks like I'm gonna jig around here.
Dude,
That's what I'm saying, dude.
That's a cannon.
That's bigger than the other one. The other
Here.
This is it.
Oh, dude, way off to the side.
Yeah, that's way out there.
Crappy, I bet.
That's
I'm
good.
on.
He on?
Yep.
Attaboy.
Come on.
Get him in here.
What is it? Oh, rail?
Oh, I thought it was a bass.
On a bad rail?
Yeah, that's not a bad one.
Looks so tiny.
Yeah, smaller one.
The bite's turning on again.
Yeah, dude. It's the bacon, bro. They're smelling the bacon.
Alright guys, so what happens when these pickerel, when they swallow the hook like that, so that thing is, it's deep in there. So what you gotta do,
What do we gotta do?
yeah, you bring the pliers over. What you're gonna do is come in right through their gill. You can see the hook. You're gonna wanna kind of somehow get that hook, pop it out, and then come back out
Pop it out, come back out.
right through their mouth. Boom. Don't even need the
Wow,
pliers.
dude.
I tell
That's
you
some
that.
fishing skill,
I'm a
yeah.
dentist out here, dude.
Girl,
Alright,
kiss
gonna
it,
get
kiss it. Give it a smooch. That was a fake smooch, you liar.
Get in there, bud.
Damn.
Wow.
He knows where his home is. Let's grab those minnows.
You can talk to the camera and stuff.
Dude, I feel them biting, bro. I don't feel anything hooked. Oh, yeah.
You gone?
Yeah.
Yep.
Yes,
sir.
Hey, yes, sir.
Another eater.
We keeping that?
Yeah.
Gee, off. Where's Gabe at?
Gibbs on the ice over there. I mean, on shore trying to get on.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
On our way out,
Yeah.
little guy just chilling up.
Didn't even set off the flag. Caught a little largemouth.
Not even on the flag, dude. That's crazy. We must have said it wrong or something.
I think it just didn't weigh enough to set
Just
it
in
off.
way enough.
But yeah,
Yeah.
last fish of the day. We had an awesome day.
Number 10, right?
Yeah, 10 fish on the day. So
Coming to a close. Not too bad of a day.
yeah, we stayed out here for like 6 hours, something like that.
Yeah.
Dropping
Not
this
too
guy
bad.
back
Give him
in.
a kiss goodbye.
Give him a kiss.
Hey.
See you later, bud.
Peace out, Chundergrog fans.
Woo!